Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to add music and make some basic edits in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to start, I've already made a little sample video for us to play around. So the first step is going to be importing your audio file into Pro. You can import a audio sound that you have recorded, that you own, a song. I'm going to be using some royalty-free music that I've downloaded. So you're going to double click in this bottom left screen here, or you can click on File, Import. Both ways will get you there. And I'm going to download my music. That's the file I want. And now it's in this little bottom left screen area. Once you have it, you can click on it, hold it down, and drag it into your timeline in the bottom middle area here. And now you see in the A2 slot, your music is in green. So now, obviously, your video and your music are not the same length, so I'm going to take my razor. It's just easiest to razor blade it at the end right there where it lines up. You see all the triangles there. Then I'm going to take my selection tool. I'm going to click on the rest of the music that is longer, double tap with my keypad, and I'm going to hit clear. Now the music's gone, and adjust it to the length. Then I'm going to go over to Effects. I'm in the Effects tab in Pro, so make sure you're there. In this top place, it's Effects in the middle. Then on the right side, we're going to go to Audio Transitions, and then Crossfade is the next folder, and then it's going to be an exponential fade. So we're going to click on exponential fade, hold it down, and drag it over to where you want. And we're going to add this to the beginning. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and add it one to my end. Just click and drag it. An exponential fade at the beginning and an end will fade your music in and out at the beginning and end. I'm going to then hover your mouse over that exponential fade, and you see this red open face bracket. Hold it and click it, and you can adjust the length of how long you want the fade to be. I want the fade to be about 2 seconds long. So that's what I just did at the beginning. I'm doing the same thing at the end. Same thing at the end. Now we have the music to fade in and fade out. Then you see how we have audio that in blue here in the middle? That is the audio from the videos, the diegetic sound from the video. What I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to click on each individual thing, double click on your keypad, it brings this up, and I'm going to hit unlink. This will unlink the audio from the video of all of these videos, except I'm not going to do it on the third one, I'm going to do it on the rest. You'll see in a second why. So now I'm going to clear out the audio from each of these pieces. You just double click on your keypad and bring up this page here and hit clear. Then same thing, click on it, double tap, then hit clear. Now I know I left this piece of audio for a reason. I'm going to take my razor tool and I'm going to razor in my music where it lines up with that video, because I actually want to just demonstrate what diegetic sound, how to get diegetic sound. So I'm going to click my selection tool, and now that I've razored it out, you see there's a piece in this music that's the exact same size as that video clip. I'm now going to just click on that music piece there, double click it to bring up your list, and then you're going to go to audio gain, and you can adjust the levels of that audio piece right there. So I'm going to adjust it by -10 decibels. Now we're good. So now let's go ahead and play through our music. Oh. So see that fade? Here's diegetic sound. So it was louder there. And then our fade out. And there you go.